Good morning students, I am your Shaista teacher. I welcome you all in our today's mathematics learning session. Students, today I am going to teach you practice set 2.2. In this practice set, you will see there are total 6 questions. Okay, now we will solve all the 6 questions one by one. Let's solve first question. In the adjoining figure, y is equal to 108 degree, x is equal to 71 degree are the line M and N parallel? Justify. Now here two parallel lines are given. First, see this yellow color, M and N, they both are parallel to each other, and here line L is the transversal line. Now here measure of angle x is given 71 degree and measure of angle y is given 108 degree. We have to add both the angle, x angle plus y angle. X plus y is equal to 71 plus 108 give us 179. This 179 is less than 180 degree. That means x plus y is less than 180 degree. That means x plus y is not equal to 180 degree. Okay, so the angles x and y are not supplementary angle. If it is equal, then it is supplementary. If it is not equal, that means it is not supplementary. So x and y do not form pair of interior angle. Is that clear? So line M and line N are not parallel to each other. The line are not parallel to each other. See? Now my dear students, let's solve question number 2. Here question number 2 says that in the adjoining figure, if angle A congruent to angle B, then prove that line L parallel to line M. Now here line L and line M are parallel line. See in this given adjoining lines, two parallel line are given, line L and line M. They both are parallel line. And one transversal line is given, named as line N. Few angles are given here, angle A and angle B. Okay, they both are congruent with each other. And we have to find how they are congruent. So first we will write given measure of angle A congruent to angle B. To prove line L parallel to line M. Okay, now after writing proof, we will write proof. Angle A congruent to angle C. Here we will write C. They both are vertically angled. See this angle A congruent to angle C. They both are vertically angled, vertically opposite angle. You can see here angle A, red angles. Two red angles are given, angle A and angle C. They both are vertically opposite angles. Is that clear? After this, now here what we will do here, after angle A congruent to angle C, we will write here, yes, now we have to compare angle A and angle B, but angle A congruent to angle B. Now this angle A and angle B are congruent angle. Okay, so now we will write, see this blue color, indicate they both are, yes, can you think? Yes, angle A and angle B, they both are given angle. Yes, so they are also vertically opposite angle, same like angle A congruent to angle C. So here we will write angle A congruent to angle B, that is given. Okay, so here now you can see this red color, angle A is equal to angle A. That means angle B is equal to angle C from 1 and 2. That means it is a corresponding angle. But angle B and angle C are corresponding angles. See here, you can see the shape of F. Okay, shape of F you can see here. See this pink color line. This pink color lines indicate the shape of F. And it is highlighting that corresponding angle. Same side, same direction. On line N and M, when line N is transversal, see this line L and M are parallel line and N is the transversal line. But B and C, angle B and C are corresponding angle. Is that clear, my dear students? So here now see this pink color indicate the parallel line and the N is transversal line. N is a transversal line. L and M are parallel line and N is a transversal line. So here we will write line L parallel to line M. Is that clear, my dear students? So come on, write all this in your book. So you can see this angle Yes, they are corresponding angle. Now my dear students, after solving question number 1 and question number 2, let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 says that in the adjoining figure, if angle A, angle B and angle X and angle Y, then prove line L parallel to line N. Now here in the adjoining figure is given, say this green color line, there are one transversal line and three parallel line. So here line L parallel to line M parallel to line N. Three parallel line are given and transversal line is K. So here line L parallel to line M and M parallel to N and L parallel to N. So here few angles are given, that is angle A, angle B. Okay. Now here angle X and angle Y is also given. So there are total 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle X and angle Y. So here how many angle you can see? Total 4 angle. Now here first we will write given angle A congruent to angle B and angle X congruent to angle Y. After that we will find to prove. To prove means to find line L parallel to line M parallel to line N. So here we have to find line L parallel to line N. After that proof angle A congruent to angle B. Proof is solution. See here the red color indicate the corresponding angle. Angle A congruent to angle B. They are given. But angle A and angle B are corresponding angle because corresponding angle create which shape? Yes, they create F shape. So angle A and angle B are corresponding angle. So same side, same direction. So here we can write angle A and angle B are corresponding angle on line L and line, yes, on line L and line M, and line K is the transversal line. Line L and M is the parallel line where A and B is coming and K is the transversal line. Okay, so line L and M when line K is transversal line. Is that clear? So A and B is on which line? Line L and line M, and K is a transversal line. Is that clear? After this, here you can write here, yes, line L parallel to line M. You can see here line L, red line indicates. Now line L parallel to line M. Okay, now these two lines are parallel line. So they are corresponding angle. Again, line L parallel to line M. Why? Because they are corresponding angle for parallel lines. Okay, they are corresponding angle test for parallel line. They are creating corresponding angle. Angle A and angle B are corresponding angle. Angle X congruent to angle Y. This is given. Angle X congruent to angle Y are they both are congruent angle, and this is given. Now here you can see this blue color, angle X and angle Y. They both are alternate angle. So here we will write, but angle X and angle Y are alternate angle on here line M and line N. You can see here line M and line N are the parallel line. And P and Q, here we will write angle P and Q. Line P and Q are the transversal line. So here the pink color letter P and Q. I will put here P and Q. So this P and Q. See this P, line P, Q. So here segment PQ. We can say here segment PQ is the transversal. So here PQ is transversal. Is that clear? So now angle X and angle Y are congruent at alternate angle, and P and Q is the transversal of line N and M. Okay. So now students, what you have to do here? Here we have to write the statement line M parallel to line N. See this line M, red color line indicates line M parallel to line N. Now here these two lines are parallel. So here we will write statement 2 alternate angle test. See here X and Y. Here X and Y are alternate angle. So line M parallel to line N, alternate angle test from 1 and 2. From 1 angle 1 from 1 and 2. So here after this line L parallel to line N. See this black color line? So line L parallel to line N. That means line L parallel to M, line M parallel to line N, line L parallel to line N. So if two parallel line and to the third line, then they are parallel to each other. Okay, if two are parallel to the third line, then then they are parallel to each other. After solving question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3, let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 says that in the adjoining figure, if ray BA parallel to ray DE, angle C is equal to 50 degree, angle D is equal to 100 degree, find the measure of angle ABC. Now students, here hint is given. So here the hint is draw a line passing through point C and parallel to here which line? Line AB. Okay, so we have to draw a parallel line which is passing through point C and that should parallel to AB. So now here adjoining figure is given. You can see here below in the green color highlights point here A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C, D, here A, B, now here C, now D and here E. So all the points are given, allotted as per the question. Now here angle D is 100 degree, angle C is 50 degree. Okay, angle C is 50 degree, D is 100 degree. Now here after this we have to pass one line here, draw a line. So here F and G is passing through point C which is parallel to AB. So line FG parallel to BA, that means AB. Okay, so line FG parallel to ray BA. Is that clear? So here this is construction part. So this line is known as a construction line. We have constructed this line. So now here ray BA parallel to ray BA parallel to ray DE. Similarly, ray BA parallel to ray DE. Okay, now again this is a given part which is there in your question. Ray BA parallel to ray DE is given. Now here we will write line FG parallel to line DE. You can see here three lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so line FG parallel to ray DE. So here we will write statement, if two lines are parallel to the third line, then they are parallel to each other. So they all are parallel to each other. See my dear students, these all three lines are parallel to each other. There are two rays and one line. So here measure of angle DCF is equal to measure of angle EDC. So here measure of angle DCF and measure of angle EDC is alternate angle. So here alternate angle, after adding this 2 we get here 100 degree. So here as you know that alternate angle, it says that after adding this 2 we get here 100 degree. So measure of angle DCF is equal to measure of angle DCB plus measure of angle BCF. Now 50 degree plus measure of angle BCF is equal to 100 degree. Now keep the BCF which we are finding here left hand side, okay, and is equal to 100 degree minus 50 degree, give us 50 degree. So now here BCF we are calculating. So BCF is an acute angle. So BCF is equal to 100 minus 50 is equal to 50 degree. Is that clear? Simply subtract this 100 minus 50, we get here 50 degree. Now line FG parallel to ray BA and segment BC is their transversal. You can see here segment BC is the transversal line of line FG, parallel line FG and ray BA. Okay, BC is their transversal line. See this purple color line, they both are parallel line, and now here this green color BC is a transversal line. Line BC is a transversal line. Is that clear my dear students? Now here measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle BCF is equal to 180 degree. After adding this two angle we get here 180 degree. See this? Okay, so they are interior angle. You can see this figure, interior angle, same side, same direction. So measure of angle ABC plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now here measure of angle ABC is equal to simply 180 minus 50 give us 130 degree. That means measure of angle ABC is equal to 130 degree. After subtracting we get here measure of angle ABC is equal to 130 degree. Now my dear students, after solving question number 4, let's solve question number 5. In the adjoining figure, ray AE parallel to ray BD, ray AF is the bisector of EAB and ray BC is the bisector of ABD. Now here in this question, what we have to prove? What we have to prove means what we have to find here. So we have to find here two parallel lines. So first we can see this adjoining figure. So here this green color figure is given. So you can see in your textbook. So here few points are given, EA, okay, EA and BD, they both are parallel to each other. Now here again we have to construct this line AF parallel to this BC, okay. Now AF parallel to BC, put here C point. Now AF parallel to BC and EA parallel to BD. Few angles are given here. So angle X is given above side, okay, you can see this angle X on above side and angle Y on below side. So here we will put angle Y, okay. So here angle Y is given on below side. Now let's solve this question. So first what we have to prove here, here we have to prove that AF parallel to BC. So line AF parallel to line BC, this we have to prove. Proof means we have to find this AF parallel to BC. Now given is ray AE parallel to ray BD. Ray AE parallel to ray BD is given. It is there in your question. Now here you can see this pink color indicate. So we can write here ray AE parallel to ray BD. Okay. Now ray AF and ray BC. Ray AF and ray BC are bisector, either bisector. Okay. That means they are transversal of. So angle EAB and here angle ABD is respectively. Angle EAB, okay, and ABD respectively, because they both are acute angle. So here you can see this above side and below side. So here EAB and here ABD. So again after writing given we will put to prove. So what we have to prove here, what we have to find. So line AF parallel to line BC, as I told you before that it is written in question, prove that line AF parallel to line BC. This we have to prove. Now proof means solution. So here first we will write here proof. So what we are going to prove here? So AF parallel to BC. So ray AE parallel to ray BD and segment AB is their transversal. Here you can see this ray AE and ray BD are parallel line and AB is their transversal line. They are cutting to each other. You can see this AB, line AB is their transversal line. There are two parallel line, ray AE and ray BD, and segment AB is their transversal line. Now measure of angle EAB is equal to measure of angle ABC. They both are alternate angle. EAB and ABD are the alternate angle. You can see this. They both are alternate angle. Now after this, here after writing alternate angle test, we will now here put now here you can see this purple color line below obtuse angle, yes, EAB, okay. So now here AB, EAB and ABD are alternate angle. Now half of measure of angle EAB is equal to half of measure of angle ABD. We will take the half angle, half. So here you can see this half angle pink color, okay. So half of the angle is acute angle. So half of EAB is equal to half of ABD. See this pink color and blue color. So multiplying both side by 1/2, okay. Multiplying both the side by 1/2 means half. So now multiply both the side by half. So what we will get here? So 1/2 measure of angle EAB is equal to 1/2 measure of angle ABD. So after this we get here FAB is equal to ABC. See this blue color acute angle FAB and here ABC. See this figure is known as a ray AF and ray BC is the bisector. Ray AF and ray BC is the bisector of EAB, angle EAB and ABD. Is that clear? So that means AF and BC are the bisector of EAB and ABD. So now we will put here, but FAB, angle FAB and angle ABC are alternate angle. They both are alternate angle. FAB and ABC are alternate angle on line AF and BC. Now here AF and BC are the bisector. So here AF and BC, when segment AB is there transversal. You can see this AB, what AB is the transversal line and AF and BC is their bisector. So they are alternate angle. So FAB and ABC are alternate angle and line AF and BC. Okay, so here segment AB is their transversal. So we can say that AB is transversal line. See, this AB is the transversal line. So now AF parallel to BC. So line AF parallel to line BC. Is that clear, my dear students? So in this way we prove that line AF parallel to line BC and they are alternate angle test. So in this way we prove that line AF parallel to line BC and they are alternate angle test. Now let's solve question number 6. Question number 6 says that a transversal EF of line AB and line CD intersects the lines at point P and Q respectively, where ray PR and ray QS, are parallel and bisector of angle BPQ and angle PQC respectively. Here we have to prove that line AB parallel to line CD. Now here this two red color line, here you can see this point AB, point A, point B, and now here below point C and point D. These two lines are parallel to each other. We have to prove this. Now here transversal line is given. So here the transversal line is F and here E. So EF is the transversal line of line AB and line CD. Here two intersection points are given P and Q. So here we have to show these lines are parallel. So here what we will put here, PR and here S and here. So here S is given and R is given. So here PR and QS are the parallel line. Okay, so line ray PR and ray QS, where PR and QS are bisect, and here angle BPQ and angle PQC respectively. There are two angles, angle BPQ and PQC. Now to prove, what we have to prove? These two parallel lines. So AB parallel to CD. Line AB parallel to line CD. Now proof. Proof means solution. So ray PR parallel to ray QS and ray PQ is their transversal. Now here you can see this PQ is their transversal of ray PR and ray QS. As I told you before, QS parallel to PR. They both are parallel line, and here PQ is their transversal. You can see this PQ is their transversal line. Okay, so this two parallel line, ray PR and ray QS, and PQ is their transversal. Now here measure of angle SQP is equal to measure of angle QPR. Okay, they both are equal. Measure of angle SQP. See this SQP, and here measure of angle QPR. They are alternate angle. Okay, so QPR are alternate angle. These two angle are alternate angle. So keep here, multiply this two. So 2 bracket measure of angle SQP is equal to 2 multiplied by QPR. So multiply both side by 2. Okay, so multiply both the side by 2. After multiplying, what we have to do here? Simply cut. So 2 multiplied by SQP is equal to 2 multiplied by QPR. So here after cutting this 2, we get here measure of angle PQS. See here, you can see this green color, PQC. See this PQC is equal to measure of angle QPB. Okay, so here ray PQ and ray QS are the bisector of angle BPQ and angle PQC. So here but angle PQC and angle QPB are alternate angles of line AB and line CD, where line PQ is the transversal. You can see here this PQ is the transversal, where AB parallel to CD. Okay, so here angle PQC and angle QPB are transversal of AB and CD, and line PQ is the transversal. Okay, so line AB parallel to line CD, they both are parallel line. Is that clear? So hence we have proved this, and line AB parallel to line CD, so they are alternate angles. Okay, so line AB parallel to line CD, hence we have proved this. Is that clear, my dear students? Now your task is to solve all these 6 sums in your maths notebook. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and share my video.